Next, so what is another problem given? 5 square plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So it is nothing but this is a quadratic expression. Quadratic expression should be equated with 0, and this is in the standard form. And what is the standard form? A x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So by comparing with the standard form, what are the values of a and b? So see, a, what is a? A will become 1, b will become 5, and c is become 5 minus 14. So a is equals to 1 because here it can be written as 1 into x square. So b will become 5 and c will become minus 14. So these are the comparisons we have to do. So let us find the values. Shall we find out the roots of this equation? Yes, we will find x square. So let us, you also solve along with me. X square plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. So let us find out the solutions of this. So first we have to compare with the standard form. A x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equals to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 14. So these are the standard form, and we got the coefficients as a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to minus 14. Then we know the roots of the equation formula. What is the roots of the equation formula? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So let us substitute the values in d. D is equals to 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 14. Okay, so it will become 5 square value is 25 minus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into minus 14, it will become minus of 4 into 14. So it will become 25 minus minus plus 4 into 14 are. So like this of problems you may face difficulty. I will tell a simple trick. See, you do 14 into 4, 4 4 the 16, 4 1 the 4 plus 1 5 56, like this you will do. There is one more method also. 14 into 4 can be done with 14 can be written as 10 plus 4 into 4. So it will become 10 into 4 plus 4 into 4. It will become 40 plus 4 for the 16. So it will become 56. Okay. So it will become 56. This is easy one rather than this one. Suppose there is a bigger number, it will become difficult. So like this this can be also one of the process to solve the multiplications. So what will become 25 plus 56? It will become 81. So d will become 81. So you tell me whether d is greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. So what will be the nature of the roots? Real. The nature of the roots are real, and two roots will get two solutions. We will get two solutions. Okay. So those are the things. And one more thing. So we'll substitute. What are the formula? We'll substitute that in the formula. So x1 will take as minus b plus we will take 1 minus, this is d we can write because b square minus 4ac is nothing but d divided by 2a. We substitute the values of x1, I mean abc. x1 is equal to, what is b? 5. So minus 5 plus under root of, what is d value we got? D value we got 81. Substitute here. D is equal to 81 divided by next 2a. 2 into what is a value? A value here it is 1. A is 1, b is 5, and c is minus 14. Here it is a equal to 1. So x1 can be written as minus 5 plus, what is root 81? 9 square. 9 square is equal to 81. 9 and the 81. So under root of 81 will be 9 divided by 2. It will become 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 by 2. So x1 can be written as 9 minus 5, 4 by 2. So it will be 2. So x1 is the one value is 2 we got. X1 one of the value we got as 2. Let us write here. X1 one value is 2 we got. So let us see one more thing. So one more value what we got. So x2 now we will take as minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What are the values of a? A is equals to 1 we have to take, b is equals to 5 we have to take, c is equals to minus 14 we have to take. So x2 will become how much? Minus b minus, this is nothing but d. We know d value is 81. D value is 81. So minus b minus d by 2a. So if we substitute the values, x2 will become minus, what is b? Minus 5 minus under root of what is d? D is 81 divided by 2a is 2 into 1. So x2 will become minus 5 minus root 81 is 9 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So it will become x2 is equals to minus 5 minus can be written as minus of 5 plus 9 divided by 2. So x2 can be written as minus 5 plus 9 is minus 14 divided by 2. What is x2 value? x2 value is 2 ones are 2 7s are. x2 value is minus 7. Okay, x2 value is minus 7. Let us keep here x2 value is minus 7. So x2 value is equals to minus 7. Okay, so let us check whether we got correct answer or not. x1 is equals to, so we got x2 is equals to minus 7 and x1 is equals to plus 2. Okay, two different solutions and both are the real numbers. See, we substitute similarly we have found out the a value, b value and c value. 1, 5 minus 14 we have substituted in this equation. So what we got? C minus b we have substituted minus 5. This is b value, as we know. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 14. So minus b, this is b, minus b, this is b square minus 4ac, because a is 1, c is minus 14. So we'll get minus 5 plus or minus 25 plus 14 for the 56, it will become 81. See, we already found this as d, right? This is a d value, discriminant value. So d is equals to 81. Simply we substitute the here d and we get x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 7. Hence what we have done is correct, right? x1 equal to 2 and x1 equal to 2 and x2 is equals to minus 7. Okay, so we will also verify, we need to verify whether these values are correct or not. So let us verify in that equation. So let us verify. What is our equation? We got x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to minus 7. What is our quadratic equation? X square plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. This is our equation. I told you, if these are the roots of this quadratic equation, then each root, if we substitute in this each root, if we substitute that value in this equation, it must satisfy the equation, that is x1 square plus 5x1 minus 14 should be equal to 0. So what is x1? 2 whole square plus 5 into 2 minus 14 equal to 0. I mean, first we will take this x1, whether x1 will satisfy or not. So it will become 2 square is 4, 5 into 2 is plus 10 minus 14 equal to 0. What is this? 4 plus 10 minus 14? It is 14 minus 14 equal to 0. 14 minus 14 is 0. So 0 equal to 0, hence proved. That means it is correct. So x1 is equals to 2 satisfies that equation, hence it is a root. Okay. And one more thing, let us check with x2 is equals to minus 7. So if substitute x2 square plus 5x2 minus 14 is equals to 0. Substitute that x2 value in this equation. It will become minus 7 whole square plus 5 into minus 7 minus 14 is equals to 0. So what it will become? Minus 7 whole square or 7 square will be same, because negative square will be positive only. 7 square to 49. So 49, and here minus into plus is minus. 5 into 7 is 35. It will become minus 35 minus 14 is equals to 0. So 49 minus is there. So minus of 35 plus 14. I'm taking minus common and it will become like this. So it will become 49 minus, what will be 35 plus 14? You do 35 plus 14, it will be 49 is equals to 0. So 49 minus 49 is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. It is also correct. Hence x2 is equals to minus 7 is also a root, because that is satisfying the quadratic equation. Okay, because that is satisfying the quadratic equation, because these two are also roots of the quadratic equation. So from the next problem, no need to every time verify whether this is satisfying that equation or not. It is just for a check. Suppose you got the correct answer or not. How you will check in the exam? If you substitute those values in the given equation, it must satisfy those roots. So for just verification purpose, we need to substitute those values in the given quadratic equation to check whether those are roots or not. But actually, how to find the roots? We have told formula method. That is, bring it into a standard form, like so bring it into a standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Bring it into a standard form, and then comparing it, we'll get a value, b value, and c value. We'll get, and then we'll apply in the formula. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, whereas d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this is the method you have to follow by solving the problem. These all substitution is for just for the verification purpose, but it don't has any particular utility. It is just for the verification purpose. Okay. Next. So one more example problem. This is second example problem. What is this? 3x square minus x plus 5 equal to 7 is the question given. So let us find 3x square. What is the question given? Minus x plus 5 is equals to 7. Now you tell me whether it is in the standard form or not. What is the standard form? A x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. It is the standard form of an equation. Whether 0 should be at one side it should be 0. So to make one side 0, what we have to do? This equation is there, right? What is that? What is that equation? 3x square minus x plus 5 is equal to 7. So we have to make one side 0. What we will do? We will do minus 7. So minus 7 on both sides. That is subtracting minus 7, subtracting 7 on both sides, or we'll call it as adding minus 7 on both sides, either subtracting plus 7 on both sides or adding minus 7 on both sides. That is, both have the same meaning. So what will happen? 3x square minus x plus 5 minus 7 is equals to 7 minus 7. So this will become 0. 7 minus 7 will be 0. So we will get 3x square minus x. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 equal to 0. So now you tell me whether this is in the standard form. Yes, it is in the standard form, because one side of the equation is 0 we got. Hence this is the standard form. A x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. By comparing these two equations, what we will get? A is equals to 3 we will get. B is equals to minus 1 we will get. See, minus 1 b. And what about c? C is equals to minus 2 we will get. So by comparing, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 1 we will get. Okay. So that's what we want. So we have converted into standard form. See, he also did minus 7 on both sides he did, because it is in Artin standard form. 3x square minus x plus 5 is equal to 7. Because it is not in a standard form, subtracting 7 on both sides we have done, and thus we got one side 0. So this is a is 3, b is minus 1 and c is minus 2. So you also got the same thing. So we know the formula method. So we'll directly substitute these values in the formula method. So what is our formula? You tell me what is our formula to find the roots of an equation. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula method. In this formulas, if you substitute the values of a, b, c, we will get the roots. So let x1 is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of, okay, so before doing this, let us find d. You know d, what is d? D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So let us find the d value. B square is minus 1 the whole square minus, so this is ac, 4 into what is a, 3 into c is minus 2. So we will get d is equals to what? Minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 4 3 the 12. So 12 into minus 2. So we will get d is equals to 1 minus into minus plus 12 to the 24. So we will get 25 value as d. So it is greater than 0. So two solutions we will get. That two real solutions we will get. So d is equal to 25 we got. So let x1 is equals to minus b plus under root d, because d is nothing but b square minus 4ac plus d divided by 2a. So what will get? Minus b minus, what is b? Minus of minus 1, because b's value is minus 1. So minus b will come minus of minus 1 plus what is root of d? D value is 25 divided by 2 into what is a value? 3. So it will become minus of minus 1 plus what is root 25 value? 5 divided by 6. Okay, is equals to 5 plus 1, 6 by 6. So what will we get as x1? x1 is equal to 6 by 6 is 1. So one value we got, x1 is equals to 1. Let us write here. So we got x1 is equals to 1. Okay, let us write x1 is equals to 1. So we will find one more root. So how we will find one more root? So here we have taken plus. So let us take minus instead of plus. So a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 2. Is that the case? Okay, yes. And what is the formula? x2 is equals to minus b minus, this time we will take, divided by d divided by 2a, because d is nothing but what is d? Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, substitute the values. X2, one more root can be get as minus of what is b? Minus 1 minus what is d value? D values we got 81. This we got, okay, 25 we got. This is 25, substitute here, divided by what is 2a? 2 into 3. Okay, so we will get x2 is equals to minus of minus 1 minus what is this value? 25, root 25 value is 5 divided by 3 to the 6. So you will get 1 minus 5, you will get minus 4 divided by 6. 2 2s are 2, 3 the is equals to minus 2 by 3. So x2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Even for your confirmation, if you substitute, and also we got x1 is equals to, what is x1 value? x2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. We will substitute here. x2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. Okay. These are the values. X equal to 1 and x equal to x2 is equals to minus 2 are the roots of this equation, are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. If you substitute these values here also, you will get the correct answer. I mean, it will satisfy. If you substitute here 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So hence satisfy. So like that, all roots will satisfy the quadratic equation. Okay. So that's the example. See, he also substituted b is equals to, we know that a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to minus 2. Substituting these values here, you will get minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root of b square minus 1 the whole square 1 minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into minus 2 will become 24, 4 into 3 into 24, so it become 25, 1 plus or minus root by 6. So what we have got is correct, right? x1 is equals to what we got? x1 is equals to 1 we got, and x2 is equals to minus 2 by 3 we got. So hence correct. What we have done is correct. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Roots or solution of quadratic equation. Okay. So in the coming, we will in the next problem we'll go somewhat a bit faster. Okay. This is for the explanation purpose. I have gone very much slowly. So from the next problem we'll go so much faster. Okay. Okay. So what is our next question is given minus x square minus 3x minus 6 equal to 5x minus 8. That is minus x square minus 3x minus 6 minus 5 is equals to 5x minus 8. Let us note down this one. What is the solution? Minus x square minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 5x minus 8. Now you tell me whether this is in the standard form of the quadratic equation? No. So what is the step you have to do? You have to convert this unknown equation or the given equation into our standard form. Okay. What is the standard form of our equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you have to do modifications in this equation to get into the standard form. So first of all, at one side you need all zeros. So bring all to one side. So first write the equation x square minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 5x minus 8. So bring this on one side. Minus x square minus 3x minus 6. Here plus 5x is there. If you come this side, it will become minus 5x. It is minus 8 here. If it is come like here, it will become plus 8 is equals to 0. So minus x square minus 3x minus 5x. What it will become? Minus 8x minus 6 plus 8. So it will become plus 8 minus 6 is equals to 0. So minus x square. What is this one? Minus 8x. Oh, it will become minus 8x. 8 minus 6. It will become plus 2 is equals to 0. Yes. So this is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. By comparing those two equations, what is the thing we are going to get? A is equals to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. So by comparing these two, what will get? B is equals to minus 8. B equal to minus 8. And by comparing, what will get? C is equals to 2. So these are the equations. So what is the thing you have to do? This unknown given thing should be converted into a standard form. So we have to convert it into a standard form and then proceed with the problem. So we got the ABC values. Now what is the, so let x1, so first of all we have to find discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? Minus 8 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 is a into c is 2. So you will get minus 8 whole square. Minus 8 whole square is 8 square, 64 minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into minus 1. So D can be written as 64 minus 8 into minus 1. So minus minus plus. So 64 plus 8. So what's the answer? 64 plus 8. We get 72. So D is nothing but 72, which is greater than 0. So two real solutions will get. Okay. So two real solutions will get. So D equal to root 7, D equal to 72. So let us verify whether what we are doing is correct or not. So here also we got D equal to 72. So see, he also converted this given equation into standard form. So minus x on both sides he did. I mean he brought this into this side. How will bring this side? Minus x if we will do, we will get x square minus 8x plus 2. This is what we want. Okay. So just he subtracted on both sides of with minus x. He subtracted on both sides with minus 8 and plus 8. So like that. So first we have to convert. First step is we have to convert it into a standard form. Then we will get a value, b value, c value. Then substitute in this formula. Okay, we got, so this our d value is correct. So x1 is equals to how much? Minus b plus under root d by 2a. So it will become, what is minus b? Minus of minus 8 plus, what is d value? 72 divided by 2a. What is a? Minus 1. So it will become minus of minus 8. It will become plus 8 plus root 72 divided by minus 2, because 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So x1 will become 8 plus, see this root 72 divided by minus 2. Yes, that is the thing. Yes, see, that is the thing. Okay, that is your answer. So in detail, again further, if you want to do, what we will do, x1 is equals to 8 plus root 72 divided by minus 2, right? So what we will do, x1 is equals to 8 plus under root 72 divided by minus 2. So you tell me, root 72 can be written as, what is 72 can be written as 9 into 8. 9 into 8 is equals to, it can be written as 9 into 4 into 2. 8 can be written as, so is equals to, what is 9 into 4 into 2? 9 can be written as 3 square into 4 can be written as 2 square into 2. Did you get the thing what I have written? So first root 72 should be written as, what is 72 value? 9 8 is 72. So it will be written as 9 into 8. 8 can again written as under root 9 into 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Again you will get, what will get, under root of 9 can be written as 3 square, 4 can be written as 2 square into 2. Why I am writing this in terms of squares? So that it can easily come out of the roots. So root 72 can be written as root of 3 square into, I can split it, under root of 2 square into root 2. So this square and root cancel, this square and root cancel. So what you will get? 3 into 2 into root 2. So what is that value? Root 72 can be written as 3 to the 6 root 2. So it can be written as 6 root 2. So substitute here in the x1. So x1 will become 8 plus 6 root 2 divided by minus 2. So x1 can be written as 8 by minus 2 plus 6 root 2 divided by minus 2. So x1 can be written as 8 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 the, it will become minus 4, and minus it will go up and it will become minus 2 ones are 2, 3 the. So it will become minus 3 root 2. Okay. So in a similarly, and x2 will become what? x2 will become minus b plus, see we have taken plus, now we have to take minus under root d by 2a. So if you do the problem, you will get what thing you will get? x2 is equals to minus 4 plus 3 root 2. So two values. So x2 is equals to minus 4 plus 3 root 2, and x1 is equals to minus 4 minus 3 root 2. So these are the two things we will get as the roots of that equation. Okay. So let us see whether what we have got is correct. Yes. So these are the minus 4 minus 3 root 2, minus 4 plus 3 root 2 are the two equations that we got. So similarly what we did is, and what we did, see 6 root 2, we have written 72 as 6 root 2. So 72 can be written as 36 into 2, we have taken easily, and 36 can be written as 6 square. So 6 square into 2. If under root is there, 6 root cancel, this will become root 2. So that is the thing he came. That's the thing. Okay. Okay. So this is one problem. And the third example he has given. So let us solve this third example. Okay. So we'll solve in the next. Further we'll solve this example. So did you understand how to solve the quadratic equation? Huh? So let us recap what we have. Let us recap what we have discussed. So we have discussed. First we have to bring any equation into a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and we will get the values of a, b, c. We will get the values of a, b, c, and then we will substitute in the formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is you have to keep this in the box because this is a formula. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Whereas d is nothing but discriminant. discriminant, and d is nothing but the value that is in the root. What is that? B square minus 4ac. And what is the conditions of discriminant? If d greater than 0, we have two real solutions. If d equal to 0, we have one real solution. If d less than 0, we have two solutions, but those are complex solutions. So this is all about the formula method. This is formula method. This is formula method to find roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so this is all about the roots, how to find the roots of the quadratic equation.